Honorable Professor Paul Miller, CCM President and Professor of Educational Leadership and Management, University of Edinburgh, UK, Professor Dashura, former Vice Chancellor of 3 universities, Professor Uma Shankarji, former Vice Chancellor of 2 universities, Dr. Seema, keynote speakers, coordinators, and participants. On behalf of International Virtual Webinar on Leadership for Global Peace and Education, Organizing Committee, I express my heartfelt thanks and appreciate the cooperation and contribution of all of you for the success of the 6 days International Virtual Webinar. First of all, I appreciate the cooperation of Honorable Vice Chancellor of Swami Keshwanand University, Rajasthan, Agriculture University, Bikaner, Professor R.P. Singh, who has given us a great opportunity and permit us to organize the webinar under his leadership. We are thankful to him for accepting our request and deliver presidential address in the inaugural session and send a message for this validatory session. We appreciate the cooperation of Dr. Glenn T. Martin, President, World Constitution and Parliament Association, and President, Earth Constitution from USA, who accepting our request to deliver inaugural address, one keynote address. Dr. Martin is doing a wonderful work for the unity of the world, for all countries as one globe unit. We appreciate and grateful to Dr. P.K. Dashura, former Vice Chancellor, University of Kota, MPUT, and Agriculture University of Kota, for delivering keynote address, delivering chief guest address in the inaugural session, and taken active part in panel discussion. Dr. Dashura is also advisor of Rajasthan Council of Educational Administration and Management and providing various advices time to time. We are grateful to Professor Paul Miller, President, Commonwealth Council of Educational Administration and Management, and Professor of Education Leadership and Management, University of Heidelberg, for accepting our request and deliver his keynote address and representing CCEAM. We are too very much grateful you, sir. We are grateful to Professor Wasif for his keynote address. Professor Wasif, the head of Department of Translation and English classroom teacher at National University, Irbid, Jordan. And he is also an advisor of Rajasthan Council of Educational Administration and Management. Dr. Wasif, we are very much thankful to you. We are thankful to Professor Uma Shankar Sharma, VC MPUIT and Acting VC MLSU, Udaipur, for delivering his keynote address. Professor Uma Shankar Sharma has done a great job and supporting us to organize RCEAM national and international conferences time to time. So we are very much thankful to you, Dr. Uma Shankar Sharma, and you are also advisor of Rajasthan Council of Educational Administration and Management. So we are grateful such type of advisors are with us. So our success is behind the teamwork. We are grateful to Professor Pushpanathan, Professor, Department of Education Administration, Faculty of Education and Psychology, and MS University of Baroda for delivering his keynote address. And also with us as a team, we are grateful to Dr. Anjali Ahuja, faculty of Appleby College, Canada, who has given a very knowledgeable lecture on the leaders of today, how we prepare the leaders. She is very enthusiastic and associated with us. And now we are thankful to the all session coordinators. Professor P.N. Murthy, WCPA India, Vice President, Earth Constitution Institution, who is very much active to work for WCPA and Earth Constitution and helping us for setting the website and webinar here also to contact the dignitaries. So we are very much grateful you, sir, Dr. Murthy. Dr. Usha C, President, Nagpur Council of Educational Administration and Management. She is very active and associated with us. We are doing different kind of activities and seminars in collaboration, and she is also working as with a lawyer and patent. Dr. Sudha Satya, President of Maharashtra Council of Educational Administration and Management, is very active and he has a business and a business lady and attended CCM conferences also at Australia. We are thankful to Dr. Bobby, the principal of Drupagiri College of Education, Jalpaiguri, West Bengal, for their great cooperation and very talented. He is also wrote and published 2 journals on education. We are thankful to Dr. Kishori from Odisha, a very active, a senior member of our group and actively organizing so many conferences, so many workshops, so many meetings, and working on the backward sections of the society. So we are also grateful to Dr. Kishori. We are grateful to Dr. Nasreen, President, Uttar Pradesh Council of Educational Administration and Management, and head the Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University, Uttar Pradesh. So we are grateful, Dr. Nasreen, and for their cooperation and coordination to fulfill their responsibility very well. We are thankful and appreciate to our technology expert. He is working day and night. Before 3/4 days of the webinar, Mr. Nabat. We cannot forget his laborious work. He is always with us. If we organize meeting in the night, in the morning or late hours, he is with us and is very laborious, effective work to make the webinar a great success. His continuous availability and coordination is webinar is really wonderful. Thanks, Nabat. We are thankful to Sri Hari Shankarji Acharya, Public Relation Officer of SKRAU, for his contribution and coordination with media and daily news, trying to publish in different newspapers. Thanks, Professor Acharya. I personally very much grateful to Dr. Seema Tyagi, organizing secretary and the heart of this webinar. I tell the heart of this webinar. All the 6 days, she was continuously sitting and thinking about the webinar only, not otherwise. She has done a great effort to make the webinar success. His working capacity and laborious work has impressed all the experts and participants, and he was always ready to bear the responsibility very well. So I have a great impression for her continuous hard work and insight about the smoothly handling the webinar sessions. So thank you very much from Seema. It's my pleasure to inform you that from 23 countries, more than 1,400 participants were attended the webinar. I express a warm gratefulness and thankful to you. Now, we can see a little baby, a little girl who is attending the webinar. You see in the picture. We are also thankful to this baby girl, because she is attending the webinar so sincerely. And if we all love and efforts, all will help us. And if we try in future, then it will be bright future for us also. Now I formally announce the end of the webinar, but it is not the end of our context. The international webinar, virtual webinar, starts new ideas, new collaborations, new relations, and new academic participations. We have the emails of all participants. We will send you the certificates and e-souvenir on your email address. We wish everyone a happy and safe stay. We will invite you on the other platform also. Thank you very much. Thanks again to all the persons who directly or indirectly associated with us and help in the success of these 6 days webinars. So now I formally announce the end of this 6 days webinar, international virtual webinar, which was start from 5th October and end on 10th October, with the hope to meet again. Thank you very much to all of you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.